Here with an origami tutorial for you. First of all, you have to take 18 cm square paper sheet, fold it into 2 equal halves. Press it well so you may have creases upon your paper. Now, fold to 1 cm from the bottom. Press it well. Now unfold it. Fold your edges to a few millimeter, or you may take some centimeters depending on the size you need. Well done. Now fold it. You have to fold the piece into 3 equal parts wonderfully. Well done. Hope you are learning it. Now we have a rough structure of the gift envelope you are making for your relatives, friends, or family members. Again from the bottom. Now fold it at the mark, then from the other side, press it, unfold the paper, now that's the final touch. Be careful with that, you have to glue it. Make sure that it is sticked well. Again glue. Press it. Well done. Fold the top. Finally done. Then again for the second part, press it, make sure it is sticked well. Make sure to do it well so that it may not look disgust. Perfect. Now a bit finishing and done. Let's make it a little aesthetic with a heart so that it looks cute. Well, here we are done with it.